What's up, everyone? It's Ryan with Kustomz. So I'm gonna do something a little different today. This isn't like a service or a product or something that I offer, but with me being in the automotive business, I made another purchase with Snap-on, and the promotion is a Bluetooth speaker, shop speaker. It's actually pretty big. It's over a foot in length. It's relatively heavy. It's kind of nice because you can set it down like this, and it comes with brackets. You can hang on like the toolbox and so forth, or stand it up. You also have these small buttons here on the top side. You got like your Bluetooth pairing, volume up, volume down, skip, pause, play. You can also, it's rechargeable, so you can take it with you wherever, or run it with it plugged in. You can charge a phone through it and whatnot. Now, I don't know how much this is to purchase. This, like I said, I bought something, and this was the promotion. This came, if I bought this, the item, this came with it, or it was free. But it sounds awesome. I absolutely love it, and I just kind of want to do a small little review and sound test, so I'm going to go ahead and play it real quick. See what it sounds like. So this is it all of the way down on low. I'm going to gradually just raise the volume. Alright, so just want to do a quick review. I highly recommend it. It sounds awesome in the garage, in the house, whatever you're doing. It's definitely cool. It's not water resistant or anything, but it's definitely worth it. I would highly recommend it if you're Snap-on guys running that promotion. But thanks again for watching, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask away. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my, content, and follow me on Instagram. It's Koffs, Koffs _ Kustomz with Kustomz. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.